We spent the first day of the new year doing something simple. Before watching the fireworks, we stopped at one of our favorite local restaurants for Bun Bo Hue, a Vietnamese beef noodle soup. One of Vietnam's most comforting noodle soups. The restaurant has 3 options. The traditional green bowl costs 40,000 Vietnamese dong, about $1.50 US. The special red bowl is 50,000 dong, around $1.9 US. And the premium yellow bowl costs 60,000 dong, about $2.1 US. We chose 2 traditional bowls, so dinner for both of us came to just 80,000 Vietnamese dong, only $3 US. If you'd like a drink, they cost anywhere from 5,000 to 20,000 Vietnamese dong, depending on what you choose. The restaurant was already busy. Families, friends, and couples filled almost every table. It felt like many people were enjoying their first meal of the new year together. A few minutes later, our bowls arrived. The rich broth was still steaming. Each bowl came with tender slices of beef, a piece of pork hock, beef blood curd, bean sprouts, fresh herbs, and green onions. A little kumquat juice, or a splash of vinegar, made everything taste even better. After dinner, we headed to My Dinh National Stadium to watch the New Year's fireworks. Thousands of people gathered together, waiting for the countdown. And then, the night sky lit up with fireworks. It was a beautiful way to welcome the new year.
Hai em đứng đoàn đi, chị lên đoàn đi quay đẹp cực.
When the show was over, everyone started heading home at the same time. As expected, the roads became crowded and traffic slowed to a crawl. It took a little longer to get home, but somehow it felt like part of the celebration. Just another ordinary New Year's Day in Hanoi, and another memory we'll always remember.